the wisdom to be asked for here pertains to the trials that you're going through. So an example is like, what are the righteous decisions I need to be making during a trial? And what is the righteous outlook to have within a particular situation or trial? And to double down on what Kyle was saying about doubting nothing, yes, this is not just a doubting of whether or not I see God in the midst of this. This is a severe type of doubting. It's a severe type of lack of allegiance to Christ, because this is a double-minded man. And the surf of the sea, when you think about how waves go this way and that way, they have no particular direction, they have no focus, but they are being moved by external forces. They're being moved by the wind. This is the same scenario that the proclaimed believer is in, because they have no direction. They are just moved about by whatever circumstance that comes their way. They're being shifted by teachings, by circumstances, by whatever else, because they have a dual allegiance. They don't have a full allegiance to Christ. That's why they are double-minded. So a lot of people will make this verse mean something that it's not. They'll make it seem that, well, you need to ask God for faith, and if you doubt at all, then you're not going to get what you are requesting. This isn't talking about doubting the request. This is talking about doubting the faith as a whole. Which, double-minded, actually a translation, if you look at the Greek, another word for it, or another phrase for it, is double-souled, meaning S-O-U-L-E-D. Like having two souls, a man with two different souls, two different allegiances, two different masters. That person is unstable in all his ways and should not expect to receive anything from God. And the severity of this reaffirms that this is a severe type of doubting. Because it's when he says you won't receive anything from God, anything is what's included in anything is salvation. So the person who's double-minded and unstable in all his ways shouldn't even expect to receive forgiveness from God, because anything is all-inclusive. So that's the type of severe doubting it is talking about here. Anything means anything, and that double-minded who has dual allegiance both to the world and both to God, they are going to be tossed to and from by all types of external circumstances. But the man who asks for wisdom and isn't doubting the faith, their external circumstances are not going to change his direction. It's going to make the road more bumpy and more confusing at times, but through the wisdom and the power of God, he is going to have direction, and he's never going to lose that direction or lose his firm foundation that he's grounded on.